They told you it was impossible. They said this was a plant you bought, not a plant you created. But what if I told you there was a secret? A way to turn one into an army. Today we're going to reveal the easiest way to multiply your ZZ plants so you never have to buy one again. The first step in this botanical duplication process requires you to become a surgeon of sorts. You must select the perfect leaves from the parent ZZ plant. Look for those that are full, glossy, and a rich, deep green. These are the leaves with the stored energy, the life force that will fuel a new generation. We'll be harvesting these specimens in the cool morning air, ensuring the least amount of stress on the parent plant. Next, you will construct a device of suspension, a system that defies gravity and holds your precious cuttings in place. A simple styrofoam disc with slits cut around the edges will do the trick. You will gently insert the leaves, one by one, into these slits, creating a floating arrangement. This clever contraption ensures the leaves are held upright, and more importantly, keeps the leaf itself from touching the water, preventing rot and decay. The final element of this setup is a bowl of pure life-giving water. You will carefully balance the styrofoam disc on the rim of the bowl, allowing only the very tip of the cuttings to be submerged. The type of water you use is crucial. Filtered or distilled water is best, free from the harsh chemicals found in tap water. A secret ingredient, a small pinch of cinnamon powder, will act as a natural guardian, protecting your cuttings from disease and a swift demise. Now comes the test of patience. A waiting game that feels like a covert operation. Place your setup in a spot with bright indirect light and let nature take its course. In a matter of weeks, you will see the first signs of success, tiny roots emerging from the base of the stems, followed by the formation of small bulbous rhizomes. These are the powerhouses, the secret batteries of the ZZ plant. And when they appear, you know you are close to victory. When the time is right, you will perform the transplant. With roots about an inch long and the rhizomes clearly visible, carefully move your new plants to small pots filled with a well-draining soil mix. This is a critical step, as it transitions your new plant from its aquatic nursery to its permanent home. Remember to lightly water and ensure the pot has drainage holes. And now you are armed with the knowledge to create an unlimited army of ZZ plants. This is not just gardening, it's a new way of thinking. It's about growth and abundance without limits. Don't just watch this happen in your mind, make it a reality. Hit that like button if you're ready to take control of your green thumb, and subscribe for more secrets they don't want you to know.